Google Ads and Facebook Ads both offer extensive reach, but in different ways. Google Ads displays your ads to people who are actively searching for your products or services on Google Search and YouTube. This amounts to over 3.5 billion searches per day. On the other hand, Facebook Ads showcases your ads to people based on their interests and behavior. With over 2.7 billion monthly active users, you can reach a vast audience on Facebook. Both platforms provide a wide reach, but the context in which your audience sees your ads differs. Google Ads offers keyword targeting, which allows you to reach people as they search for specific terms. It also allows demographic and location-based targeting. Facebook Ads, however, offers more granular targeting options such as interests, behaviors, and connections, in addition to demographics and location. This makes Facebook Ads a better choice for highly specific audience targeting. In terms of ad formats, Google Ads offers search ads, display ads, shopping ads, video ads, and more. Facebook Ads, on the other hand, offers photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, slideshow ads, collection ads, and more. Both platforms offer a variety of ad formats, but the right choice depends on your specific advertising needs. The cost of Google Ads and Facebook Ads can vary greatly depending on your industry and competition. Generally, the average cost per click, CPC, on Google Ads is higher than on Facebook. However, the cost per thousand impressions, CPM, on Facebook is usually higher than Google. Both platforms operate on a bidding system, so costs can fluctuate based on demand. Google Ads capitalizes on active user intent as people are actively searching for solutions. This makes it effective for bottom-of-the-funnel marketing, where consumers are ready to purchase. Facebook Ads, however, are based on passive browsing and are better suited for awareness and consideration stages. Thus, the platform you choose should align with your marketing objectives. Both Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer comprehensive analytics and performance tracking. Google Ads integrates with Google Analytics, providing detailed insights into your campaign performance. Facebook Ads Manager provides a similar level of detail, with metrics on reach, impressions, clicks, and conversions. Both platforms enable you to measure the success of your campaigns and optimize them for better results. While both platforms have their learning curves, Google Ads is often considered more complex due to its extensive range of features and settings. Facebook Ads, with its user-friendly interface and simplified campaign creation process, is often considered easier for beginners. However, mastery of either platform requires time and practice. Both Google Ads and Facebook Ads provide robust mobile advertising options. Google's mobile ads appear on Google Search, YouTube, and across their display network. Facebook's mobile ads appear in the Facebook app, Instagram, and their audience network. The choice between the two often depends on where your audience spends most of their mobile internet time. Facebook ads typically offer more visual appeal due to the nature of the platform, allowing for larger images and videos. Google ads, particularly search ads, are more text-focused, although display and YouTube ads allow for more visual content. If your product or service relies heavily on visuals, Facebook ads could be a better choice. Google Ads is often more effective for B2B marketing as it catches professionals during their research phase. Facebook Ads, with its emphasis on lifestyle and interests, often works better for B2C marketing. However, both platforms can be used effectively for either B2B or B2C with the right strategy. In conclusion, Google Ads and Facebook Ads each have their strengths and can be effective depending on your business goals, target audience, and type of product or service. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.